Hi students, thanks for clicking this video. In this video you are going to learn about telecom service. Telecom service. In our previous video we discussed about insurances. So step by step we are discussing all the auxiliaries of trade. It is chapter number 4, business services. It is telecom services. World class telecommunication infrastructure is the key to rapid economic and social development of the country. If a country have decided to develop socially and economically, the country must adopt for telecom services. Isn't it? Without telecom services, the country cannot communicate with other countries, and the country cannot involve any trading activities, any business activities. If a country have decided to develop economically and socially, the country should adopt telecom services. When the country needs some product, that time the country will approach other country where the product is available. At the same time, if our country wanted to export the product to other country, we need telecommunication, because where the product is needed, we should identify and we should get the order. Then only our country will send the product to other country, isn't it? So telecommunication contribution is inevitable. It is in fact the backbone of every business activity. So telecommunication is the backbone for every business activity. So for all the business, telecommunications contribution is inevitable. In today's world, the dream of doing business across continents will remain a dream in the absence of telecommunication infrastructure. If there is no telecommunication infrastructure, doing business with international will be remain dream. But now dream comes true with the help of this telecommunication. All the countries are doing trading activities and business activities all over the world with the help of WTO, World Trade Organization, and ASEA and ASEAN and NAFTA. So these all are the business groups. For your better understanding only, I have given these all the pictures. So this is landline and it is reset, and here it is pager, and it is the cable network and DTH, all DTH networks. So these all are the backbone to do business activities globally. You know, liberalization, privatization, globalization. So for globalization, telecommunication contribution is inevitable. So all the business activities nowadays, with the help of this telecommunication only, is happening. Even we people are ordering the products with the help of this telecommunication only. Whatever it is, eBay or Amazon or Flipkart, whatever it is, we are using telecommunication to buy the product. Some sellers are selling the product, that is a platform for them. Even in current situation, in this pandemic period, you all people are watching this video with the help of this telecommunication only, right? There have been far-reaching developments in the convergence of telecom, IT, customer, electronics and media industries worldwide, recognizing the potential in enhancing quality of life and to facilitate India's vision to become IT superpower in the year 2025. New telecom policy framework in the year 1999 and broadband policy 2004 were developed by the Government of India. Government of India developed these two. Though this framework, the government intends to provide both universal services to all uncovered areas and high-level services for meeting the needs of the country's economy. The various types of telecom services are. Look at this. India wanted to become a superpower in IT sector in the year 2025. It is the vision of India. For that, India announced the schemes telecom policy framework in the year 1999 to develop our nation in telecom industries. Outcome of this 1999 scheme only, India got more and more landline facilities. Then in the year 2004, India implemented broadband facilities. The telecommunication infrastructure developed in India in very good range in the year 2004 onwards. That you know very well. At present, we people are using mobile phone with the help of India's policy only, because already India have a vision to become a superpower in IT industries in the year 2025. Vision and missions of India, it says very clearly. So further for that, to achieve the target, India is implementing so many rules and regulations, policies in the year 1999 and even 2004 even. At present, new technology we are using, this 4G technology. This also a telecommunication sector all over the world we can call. Before and all, Wherever you go, depends upon that STD booth. But nowadays it is eliminated. Everyone have mobile. If you wanted to call internationally, yes, you can call. If you wanted to order a product instantly, within a fraction of a second, you can order the product and you can buy it, right? So this telecommunication simplifies all business activities. The various types of telecom services are cellular mobile services, radio paging services, fixed line services, cable services, VSAT services and DTgate services. Nearly 6 types of telecom services are there. One by one we are going to discuss in detail. First one is cellular mobile service. That is your mobile phone, cellular phone, right? These are all types of mobile telecom services including voice and non-voice messages, data services and PCO services utilizing any type of network equipment within their service area. They can also provide direct interconnectivity with any other type of telecom service provider. If you take mobile phone, each and everyone, you have, I have, everyone have in India mobile phone, isn't it? Nearly 100 crore plus mobiles are in India. As per the new statistical report 2020, nearly 100 crore people in India using mobile phone. 700 plus crore people are using mobile phone all over the world. It is a recent statistical report. With the help of this mobile phone, what we can do? Except multimedia. Nowadays, multimedia are additional for us. But basic usage for the mobile is to call, to give information to someone, to receive information from someone. Isn't it? It is a voice and non-voice message transformation. Two-way communication. It is 2G. Second generation that you know. Two-way communication it is. We can receive the call and we can call to someone. We can send the message with text or images. We can receive the messages. But now it is extended. Interconnectivity, internet connectivity also given by them. Each and every one of us are using internet at present. With the help of this internet, we can come to know all the details all over the world. Isn't it? Even the world is in your hand. World is not a global village. World is being a small box in our hand. The second one is radio paging services. Radio paging service is an affordable means of transmitting information to persons even they are mobile. It is a one-way transforming broadcasting solution and has spread its reach far and wide. Radio paging services are available including tone only, numeric and alphanumeric paging. It is outdated technology. Before the arrival of this mobile phone, we people use this pager. This is outdated at present. It is a one-way communication system. If you watch this Cellular movie, you could see that pager services. For your better understanding, I will give an example about pager. Because nowadays we people are not using pager. You could watch that pager usage in the movie Cellular Portal. His Surya's friend will send a message to call. Then after receive the message with the help of this pager only, he will go to the PCO and he will call to his friend. And his friend will reply, yes, India is expecting that blueprint for our Boeing aeroplane. Then third one is fixed line services. You know about landline. That is that. So a line is fixed. With the help of the line only, we can make a call to someone and we can receive the call. You know landline services. Some of them are having at present even. Whenever the tower is not working, we can go for it. And this is very safest. This landline contribution is inevitable for our country's development. Whenever our mobile couldn't get the frequency, that time we are switch overing to landline, and with the help of the landline we can call to someone, we can receive the calls, and it is two-way communication. Not only for one operators, for many connectivity, many operators it is possible to share the messages. At the same time nowadays this landline gives internet connectivity also. Actually, landline internet connectivity is the primary one for our India's development. STD booth is available, everything with the help of that landline only we are provided. But at present, many of us using these landline facilities. This landline facility is not only useful for sharing the information, which means calling and texting. Apart from that, it is very useful for internet connectivity. It establishes the linkage of long distance traffics. PCO, country to country we can call ISD we can call, and PCO we can use. At the same time, that it is interconnectivity, not only for one operators, for all the operators we can connect. Fourth one is cable services. These are linkage and switch services within a licensed area of operation to operate media services. Media services, multimedia services. It is a one-way communication, not two-way communication. For entertainment we are using, like television, cable television, that same, which are essentially one-way entertainment related services. One-way entertainment related services it is. And the two-way communication, including voice, data and information services, though cable network would emerge significantly in the future. But innovative technology, with the help of this innovative technology, in the future this two-way technology also will come, we can expect. Offering services to the cable network would be similar to providing fixed services. Like providing fixed services, they are offering the cable services. Before the arrival of set-top box and DTgate services, we people, everyone use these cable services to watch movies and news and everything with the help of these cable services only. It offers businesses and government agencies to highly flexible and reliable communication solution in both urban and rural areas. It is very useful for business, not only for business, for government also, and it is highly flexible and reliable communication. So this is very useful to communicate, highly flexible communication, at the same time reliable communication, not only for urban area, for rural area also. Compared to landline based services, VSAT offers assurance of reliable and uninterrupted services. It is uninterrupted. Continuously we can get services without any interruption. That is equal to or better than landline based services. It is equal to or better than landline services. We can use these VSAT services. It can be used to provide innovative applications such as telemedicine. We can use some applications with the help of this VSAT, telemedicine and newspaper, online market rates and tele-education, even in the most remote areas of our country. For education also we can use these VSAT services. So VSAT services is the backbone to do business activities and favor for government, not only favor for government, for all the peoples in the world. Even remote area people also can use for the education and business and trading, for everything this VSAT. And next one, everybody is using these services called DTgate services. DTgate services, direct to go. Direct to go is again a satellite based media services provided by cellular companies. Cellular companies are providing the services, and it is satellite based media service. Satellite based media services, DTH, direct. For India, Manmohan Singh government brought this DTgate services, that. But at present we have the digital TV, Airtel digital TV. I have Airtel digital TV. Different DTgate services are available, Sun Direct and Dish TV and Airtel, even Tata Sky, like this. So many Dish TVs are available, DTGs are available, and one can receive media services directly through a satellite with the help of a small dish antenna and a set-top box. So only small dish antenna and a set-top box is enough to receive the frequencies. And if you paid for the channel, for your number, this will be available directly from satellite. We can receive and we can celebrate. It is an entertainment oriented. And the service provider of DTgate service providers, the service provider of DTgate services provides a bunch of multiple channels. You can see that multiple channels are available. The 1,000 number of channels are there. With the help of this remote you can operate from your sitting place. It can be viewed on our television without being dependent on the services provided by the cable network services provider. But before and all, we people depends upon the cable service provider, but now no need to depend upon the cable service provider. Directly we can watch all the, we no need to depend upon the cable service providers and the cable network. Instead of that, it is a innovative technology we are using. Directly from satellite, we can watch all the entertainments with the help of the set-top box and the cable antenna. Transportation. You know what is transportation? From a demanded place. Transportation helps to bring the product from available place to demanded place. So transportation's contribution is very important for the business. There are 4 different kinds of transportation: railway, roadway, airway and shipway. So it is also activities of trade. transportation is very helpful to bring the product especially from available place to demanded place. So without transportation, how it is possible? Bulk number of products are available in a place, at the same time demand is in different place.